Shirt, then jacket, then scarf. Now take them off. Why can't you choose the order? Pattern 5 of 10 in the NBX STUDIO Dojo. Stack. Last in, first out, and the one pattern whose shape you already use every morning without noticing. Everything here is about nesting. Parentheses or brackets, which is the classic. Nested anything, tags, folders, function calls. Next greater element, which sounds unrelated and absolutely is not. Undo or back button because both are a pile of things you did. And if the order doesn't matter at all, you want a set or a map instead, not a stack. Ask whether the most recent thing is the one you've to deal with first, because that's what a pile gives you. You pull on a shirt, then a jacket, then a scarf. Coming home, the scarf comes off first, then the jacket, then the shirt. You can't get the shirt off without dealing with the jacket, and nobody had to teach you that one. The last thing on is the first thing off, and that rule is the entire data structure. Here's the string we've to check. Open brace, open square, open round, close square, close brace. Is it balanced? Read it once yourself before we start, because your eye already knows the answer. Stack equals empty brackets. That's the pile, and it starts empty. Pairs is a small dictionary mapping each closer back to the opener it belongs with. A close round needs an open round. A close brace needs an open brace, and so on. 3 pairs written once, so we never reason about which closer matches which opener midloop. Then we walk the string one character at a time, and every character is either an opener or a closer. First character, an open brace. Is that an opener? It is. Nothing gets checked here because openers never need checking, and an opener is really just a promise that something will have to close further along. Stack, append puts it on top. In Python, append adds to the end of a list, and because we always look at the end behaves like the top of a pile. One layer deep, and the promise is recorded. That's all an opener ever does in this algorithm. Next character, an open square bracket. Another opener, so up it goes. The pile now has the brace on the bottom and the square on top. Shirt, then jacket. And here's the thing the pile is quietly doing for us. It's recording the exact order we open things in, which is the only information we'll need when the closers start arriving. An open round bracket, and on the pile it goes as well. 3 layers now. Brace, square, round, bottom to top. The top of that pile is always whatever we opened most recently, which means the top is always the thing that has to close next. That sentence is the whole reason a stack fits here, so say it out loud in an interview. Now a close round bracket. Closers are where the work happens. Stack -1 means look at the top of the pile, because in Python -1 is the last item. The top is an open round bracket. Does it match? Our pairs dictionary says a close round belongs with an open round, so yes. Stack.pop takes it off. Down to 2 layers. One matched pair has cancelled itself out, and the scarf is off. Straight from the dojo. We see a close round bracket, and the top of the pile is an open round. What do? Put the closer on the pile as well. Take the opener off because it matches. Or decide something is wrong and return false. Have a think, and pause the video if you'd like a moment. Ready? Take it off because it matches. A matched pair cancels, and canceling is exactly what popping the pile means. A close square arrives. Top of the pile is an open square, they match, so off it comes. 1 layer left. Then a close brace. Top is the open brace, they match, and the pile is empty. Look at the shape of the whole run. We put on brace, square, round, and we took off round, square, brace. The exact reverse, and we never chose it, because the pile chose for us. Return len of stack equals 0. An empty pile means every opener that went on came back off, which is precisely what balanced means. And if the pile still had something on it, that'd be an opener nobody ever closed, so the answer would be false. True. 1 passed through the string, and every character was looked at exactly once. 2 lines separate working code from a crash. If not stack, return false. That's a closer arriving when the pile is already empty, like a close bracket with nothing open. Without that guard, looking at the top of an empty pile throws an error. And at the end the pile must be empty. Open close leaves an opener stranded, and the loop finishes happily without noticing. Closer with nothing open. Opener never closed. Say both out loud because an interviewer is listening for exactly those two. Getting the happy path right is the easy half of the question. For to go and do. Valid parentheses is the one we just wrote. Min stack teaches you to keep two piles at once. Daily temperatures is your first monotonic stack, and it's the one that unlocks a whole family. And largest rectangle in histogram is the hard one that people remember you for. 3 things to take with you. The signal is nesting anything that opens and has to close. The move is openers on, closers check the top and pop. And the bugs live in the 2 guards, a closer with nothing open, and an opener never closed. Next in the dojo is breadth first search, where instead of a pile we use a queue, and that one swap changes the answer from any path into the shortest path. Go and do valid parentheses first.